this side? Can you just move outside? They're going to be running through here.
Okay.
Do you have one?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. This is the run.
Which one is this?
This is the run. This
Oh.
is 2, 5, 10. Good job, guys. Right through there. Watch yourself. A little bit slippery.
Go for it, Liza.
Good job, guys. That's it. Woo-hoo.
Don't think.
Come on, John. Keep going.
Go on, Liza. Jeez, I'm losing you, Liza. I haven't got you. Crikey, JT, we didn't get it.